Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair and makeup artist, and I put out 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So today, oh guys, look at that glow. Damn girl. Okay, so today I'm showing you this easy, quick bronze makeup look. This weather's starting to warm up, like for the rest of the world, not in Canada. Literally, we have barely seen the sun and it's just been raining and like thunderstorming nonstop. And it's ridiculous. But I'm getting in that mood of like summer and sun and bronze glowy goodness. I want to do something that was like quick and easy, so it's actually like very few products and very quick simple steps. And also I had a bunch of new things to play with from my PR world, etc. So I pulled out all new things. We're trying some fun things out and we're creating this look. So if you want to see how we get this bronze-tastic makeup look, then please just keep on watching. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to use is this Pixi Glow Tonic Serum. We'll just shake that up. It says apply 2 drops onto clean toned skin before moisturizer. Well, I haven't toned my skin, but actually no, I did. I used Bioderma, so that's like everything in one. So then we'll grab our dropper. Oh, it's like actually pretty like reminds me of bubbles. Smells good. My skin does have a kind of a glow to it. Oh, that's fun. Usually I just will apply a serum as my prep when I do my skincare or my makeup. So I'm not going to apply moisturizer. We're going to let that be. That is actually a really nice glow. Okay, you're cute. I like that. That looks really pretty on the skin. Okay, so next we're going to take some Flawless Filter just to get a little bit of a glowier base because we want a nice glowy bronzy fresh look. So I'll just take my fingers and work that into the skin. I really like how that Pixi stuff looks on the skin. It looks so nice. Okay, love how the skin's looking. So I have this Dermablend Smooth Liquid Cameo Medium Coverage Foundation. Apply daily prior to sun exposure on clean dry skin, all the usual things. I believe this foundation is like a medium to full coverage. I also don't know how the color is going to be, but we're literally going to put it on and make it work regardless. So just take a couple dots and apply that to the skin. Lately I've actually been using this brush to apply foundation. So it's like a nice duo fiber. It's the Sigma F15. Because I've kind of just been like scrubbing on my foundation, which lets me use a little bit less than I normally would because, you know, like the bristles and the top of the brush are so far apart that you don't get like a full intense coverage. I was really into using this brush, so it's kind of funny that I like switch like something super dense to like something way more light. But I just have been like kind of scrubbing it on and then I can go in and blend it. I really love the way this is laying on the skin. This looks like a really kind of natural coverage and we have like the nice glow kind of coming through. This looks really pretty. Also, the color is actually freaking really good. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit more and I'm gonna use my sponge now. So I'll just take a little bit, a dot, a couple more dots, just whatever's left over on my hand, and then I'll take the rest on the back of my hand and then work this in. This is really giving the skin a really flawless coverage and appearance, and it's really soft. I don't feel like it's like drying down like super cakey or matte or anything. Like it feels really good going on the skin. I'm pretty judgmental of foundation. Like I usually like it or I don't, like within seconds of putting it on. And this one has a really nice kind of moisturizing feel, which I love. I feel like the skin just looks soft, but it doesn't look like any like extra texture coming through or any of that nonsense, which I hate, which I believe I've said many times. So I'm quite happy with it. Alright, so I just applied a little bit of my Salmon Concealer as always, and now I'm applying a little bit of my Pur Concealer. I like forgot how much I really like this one. So this one is in the shade Light, and I'm just gonna apply that to the under eyes. I feel like it just has a really nice kind of yellow warmth to it that just looks really, really pretty. And then I'm gonna just take, yeah, like look how lifted my under eyes look. It's such a good concealer. I kind of forgot about it. You know how you do that? You just have products and you kind of forget about them. Then I'll just take a couple dots of the shade 12 of the Makeup Forever, just basically for like highlighting, contouring purposes. Just to add a little bit of life and light to the center of the face. Would you like to be in the video? She's so funny. Okay, so for setting powder, I have the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. So we're gonna try this out. Setting powders make me nervous, I can't lie. They just, we'll see how it looks. You guys know I have my routine, so we'll see how this goes. So just take a little bit in the jar, dot it under the under eyes, and around the center of the face. Okay, well, it's very mattifying. Like, that took all shine away. And I know usually I use my Charlotte Tilbury, and that definitely kind of leaves the glow, but this definitely is like set, matte, goodbye. Yeah, my face feels very set. So I like that setting powder. I think it looks nice. It's just like that's a matte setting powder. Like, I am set. I would use this probably on nights out. I probably wouldn't use this on my everyday just because like it's pretty intense. Looks really good. Okay, so the next thing we're going to use is the highlighting stick. This is Champagne, and this is from Nude by Nature. So I don't want to disrupt my foundation. I'm a little nervous about that. Like if I dab it. Okay, instead we're going to warm it up on our finger because anyway, cream products usually do need a little bit of warmth. So we'll do that. And then I'll dot that on. Oh, that's pretty. Right, so I'm just kind of dabbing it on. It is pretty like hard. Like, I'm definitely really having to like, you know, work at it. But I think the color's pretty. It's got a nice glow and it's blending into the skin. Like, I know I just kind of popped it on top, but as I'm blending it, it's blending in quite nicely. Like, I wouldn't say this is a life-changing product, but it's like, it's fine, it's cute, it works. I'll probably use this again because I do like kind of that neutral champagne glow, because I'm trying not to go too blushy today. We're trying to stay very bronzy. So then I'll just take kind of my sponge and I'll grab a little bit of product. This is a good tip just if you want to make sure you're not lifting any foundation or products underneath, is always grab a little bit of that product on, like on the sponge of the one you're blending out. Then it just kind of ensures you're not lifting anything. Okay, that looks really nice. Okay, I like that. Okay, I definitely feel like I have a full face of makeup as the foundation setting. Like, I still think the skin looks really, really good. Like, I think it looks really good. It's definitely a full face of makeup, and that's like something that, like, I don't want to say it bothers me, but it like kind of bothers me. Like, I don't like looking like I have a full face of makeup on, but you know, the skin looks flawless, so you know, you win some, you lose some. Okay, so the next thing we have, which is something I'm really excited about, so this is the Nars Summer Lights Face Palette. So this is limited edition, brand new, freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. So we're definitely gonna be playing with this. Hell yeah, girl. So first thing we're gonna do is we'll grab this bronzer shade. So this is the shade, oh my god, how do you do this? Destination Unknown. All right, well, we'll grab a little bit of this guy and then work that on the cheeks. Ooh, that's pretty. That is a really neutral bronzer. Like, it's not too red, it's not too olivey, it's actually like a very natural color. I was prepared to like this palette, so I may be a little biased, but like, look at it, and like, it's Nars, and like, you know, Nars always comes through. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that and bring that around the center of the face, perimeter of the face. Why do my words not make words? Still very bronzy and sun-kissed. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna take my little chisel brush and go into that bronzer, and then I'm just gonna really chisel the cheekbone. That's stunning. Like, that's so pretty. So what I want to do now is we're going to take some of the highlighter. So I'm going to first grab this guy. So this is the shade Paper Flower. And I'll grab a little bit of this. It looks like a nice neutral highlight as well. So put that, oh my god. Yes. So what I've been really trying to do lately is really work in my highlight, and I've just been finding it looks so much more beautiful when it's really like blended in, pressed in, and worked in. So I'm really gonna take my time to do that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god, I knew I was gonna love this palette, but like, I love this palette. Alright, we're gonna put the palette away for a second, I know. And we're gonna grab our little brow powder. So this is the Brow Zings from Benefit. I've never used like even a brow powder like this. Like, used brow powder like way back in the day, but not by Benefit. So this is in the shade 2. So let's have a go at it. I just have like a basic, you know, brow brush. And then, oh, that was way too much. Oh, that's friggin' pigmented. Oh my god, what did I just do? Okay, I'm just gonna blend. It's gonna be fine. Just gonna blend. This is why you start in the center of your brow, so you can blend it to the front of your brow. But I figured a brow that was a little bit more like powdery and soft would kind of work with this like sun-kissed bronze thing. I look so glowy. Like, I love this. Do you hear the symphony? Oh my god. Okay, so you're actually still able to sculpt the brow with this, which I wasn't sure I'd be able to, but the staying power and pigment is actually letting me, which I'm kind of pleasantly surprised about. You actually get a little brush. I just realized it, like, oh frick, yeah, there we go. Like, closes and then it opens, so I actually could have used this. So I guess I used the lippy brush kind of side for the wax. So I guess might as well try it, right? So, and then I guess I just push the wax through. And I guess it's like tinted wax, so you get more. I like the look of this. Like, I like kind of that softer brow. Like, you guys let me know what you think, but I like it. Can't really feel the wax, so that's nice. Alright, so let's jump back to eyes. So take my little brush and just kind of blend out the concealer that's on the eyes, or the foundation, whatever's there. Then we're going to jump back into our little palette. So I want to make this like super easy for you guys. Well, all I'm going to do is grab the bronze shade first and foremost and rock that in the crease. Such a go-to. Always put your bronzer in your crease on your eyes. It just is so naturally beautiful. Just gives the eyes a tiny bit of definition. I'm just going to take my finger, I'm going to grab this highlighty shade and apply that all over the lid so I get a nice wet bronze eye. Just keeping it so simple. I'm going to just take a little bit of this bronzy right here, so it's a little bit more of a shimmer bronze. Just kind of work that on the outer corner, just so I'm giving a little bit more. Using that just same brush, just so you get a little bit of definition, you get a little bit of that true bronze shadow, but as you can see I'm doing this in like 5 seconds or less. Let's just apply that with that same brush and blend it out. Okay, so I'm just going to switch my brush just to something smaller. Then what I want to do is I'm going to just take this little deep taupey guy right at the edge. I'm going to give myself just a little bit of a smoky liner right to that outer corner. Like, literally, that's it. So simple. Just right on the outer corner and just kind of lift it out. You can just take your finger just to kind of softly blend that. It's just a super soft, undefined wing. And you can take that however far in you want. I'm just going to stop about halfway just so I get a slightly kind of sultry look to the eyes, which I think looks so beautiful. Oh my god. And then you can take whatever you have left over on that brush or grab a little bit more. I'm just going to run that right under the lashes just so they're a little bit smoky and defined. And then if you're extra like you know I am and you know you are, then we'll just grab a little bit of that guy, pop that highlight just on the inner corner with our fingers. And oh my god, look, that's our eyeshadow look. Like literally so simple, but so freaking stunning. So all I'm gonna do is curl my lashes and apply mascara now. And the only mascara I ever let touch my bottom lashes is the Hourglass Caution Mascara. It's just amazing. So I'm gonna apply this actually just first. I like to kind of brush it through the top lashes because I think it separates them really nicely. And then apply it to the bottom. Okay, so lashes are a lashin'. I have no lashes, so I go pretty heavy on the mascara because I kind of have to, or I get no lashes. So they're a little clumpy for your liking. I totally get it, but you know, moving on. Alright, so to finish this look off, the Nars Endless Heat collection also had some lip pencils. So this is the shade Good Times, and we're just going to use this. I do love the velvet finish of these lip pencils. I think they're so pretty, but if we're doing a glowy, glossy, bronzy look, then I feel like we just need some gloss. So I'm just going to take the Pure Gloss. This one is in the shade Dreams, just to kind of warm it up and glow it up. I literally don't remember the last time I did a look this like non-complicated. Quite exciting, but I just want to bronze up the body because that's just fun. So let's just get naked. Great, awesome. And I'm gonna use this Laline Shimmer Body Oil. So I'm just gonna kind of pour out a few drops, and I actually really like this brush for it again. So we're gonna use this guy and do that. Kind of just like go for it. It smells delicious too. But now we are bronzy and glowy, so last but not least, we'll just set everything in place with some setting spray. Alright guys, so there we have it. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to link everything down below so you can see everything. There are some products that are limited edition, and I'm probably going to do a blog post on the Nars kind of stuff because, you know, it's beautiful. It's like, oh, you know, luxe, lovely, gorgeous, and I'm probably just going to dance around in my bronzy goodness for the rest of the night. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more like kind of chill makeup looks, like this is definitely more low-key, then let me know for sure. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.